Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to look at Marvel's Avalanche. Let's go! Okay, so we have a Marvel Legends figure from the Uncanny X-Men set 6 Meet Force Avalanche. And as you can see, this figure is mint on cardboard right now. It's sealed. We see in front the illustration of Avalanche. Okay, does not really translate as much well in terms of the face for the figure. We see a couple of alternate hands, and at the back we see the wave it comes with. So we have Wolverine, Dark Phoenix, Longshot, Multiple Man, Avalanche, and Spiral. And you can see here a mugshot of Avalanche and a quick description. Marvel's Avalanche, Brotherhood of Mutants, veteran Avalanche can generate powerful seismic waves from his hands. So Brotherhood of Mutants, I guess they've been reformed and no longer Brotherhood of Evil Mutants. Anyway, but before we get to open this action figure, we have to look at some Heroclix figure of Avalanche, and we have a bunch of them, but we're going to highlight 4. Okay, so we have first and foremost from Golden Age, this figure from, I think it's the Fantastic Forces, set number 33, Brotherhood of Evil Mutants, team ability Avalanche, and you can see 8 range, although combat values wise 8 pulse wave, 16 barrier, and 2 damage. Not so good. Okay, so his face is not seen here. Full helmet, I guess, and yeah. So that's Avalanche. Uncarded, by the way. And we have another figure, same sculpt, but you can see here it's a limited edition with Avalanche real name Dominic Petros. 22 points, set number 111. Okay, and let's see the dial. It's the same. Let's see. Okay. Lower range and lower defense value. Movement as well as lower because it's 10 points cheaper. Okay. Then the next time Avalanche appeared was in the Days of Future Past set. Okay, so you can see, and we have the card for that particular Avalanche. So set number 72, still have that Brotherhood of Evil Mutants, 0 range. You can see 8, 10 precision strikes, 17 toughness, and 3 close combat expert in the damage. Brotherhood of Mutants, Freedom Force are the keywords, and then a trait, Earth and Tidal Wave. Avalanche can use Quick. When he does, he targets all opposing characters within 3 squares, and damage dealt to each character is instead equal to 5 minus the number of squares that character is from Avalanche. So technically, if you're closer to the epicenter of the tidal wave, then you get at least at max 4 damage. I guess 5 minus 1. Okay. Or if you are 3 squares away, then you're getting at minimum 2 damage. Okay. So no information at the back except for real name Dominic Petros. Set number 004. And the last Avalanche that we have is from the X-Men, the animated series Dark Phoenix Saga set. Avalanche, you can see there's a quick effect now in both hands. Okay, I like that. And the color is grayish. Let's put him on the top click. So range of 4 is back, 8 sidestep, special attack, toughness, and special damage powers. Let's take a look. Set number 31, a rare, Brotherhood of Mutants, Freedom Force, same keywords. Dominikos Petrakis is the real name. I guess that's the native local pronunciation of the name. A trait, my mutant brothers and sisters, once per turn, when an effect other than clearing removes an action token from Avalanche after resolutions heal him one click. Any free healing is good. Split the Earth is the special attack power quick. When Avalanche uses it, you may choose that he has Giant Reach 4, or after resolutions, you can use Barrier at no cost. That's good, especially Barrier at no cost. Free. It all comes crumbling down. Destroy a piece of blocking terrain within range for the special damage power. You can see that X-Men Adventures Deadly Cure is the comic cover and significant appearance of Avalanche. Complete dial for 5 clicks, 50 points. Just right for the figure. Okay, so there's really no meta Avalanche so far. So I hope in the next X-Men set, if it ends up to be a villain set, then I hope they remake an Avalanche and probably make a meta Brotherhood of Mutants. Evil mutants. Make them really evil and meta. So anyway, let's go now to the main agenda, which is unboxing this Avalanche action figure. And let's see. Let's open it with our trusty knife. We're not gonna keep anyway the cardboard. We don't have to be gentle on the unboxing. Okay. Let's see. As we said, we have 2 alternate hands. I would have loved this one if they added the earthquake seismic force effect on the figure instead of alternate hands and alternate hands. So let's pop him open. Sorry for that. So Avalanche, you can see the head is moving, tight joints on the shoulders. Torso is okay. Knees, feet are okay. And fisted hands. I'm just not a big fan of the face. Okay. It looks a bit feminine for me. Okay, because of that mouth. I don't know why. And you can see they keep the blue main suit color. Okay, but the silver is more inspired by the Days of Future Past. Okay, so I think among the Avalanche we have, this would be the closest one. So let's try to pose him like this. But we have to remove the hands for that purpose and replace it with the open hands. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's see. Open hands. Acting like Avalanche is coming. It's being projected. Okay. I know. Stretch out and then there you go. Stretch out. Hands up. Stretch out. Okay. And then the feet be a little bent just to emphasize an action pose. Okay. Okay, that's it, I guess. Gonna be hard for him to stand. But let's take a look. This is Marvel's Avalanche, Heroclix, and Marvel Legends form. And that's the end of the video. Thank you everyone, and see you in the next unboxing of Marvel Legends X Heroclix. Bye bye!